The northern horizon, the horizon glows with icy light. Mountains and fjords kissed by the morning frost. The wind carries stories from lands unseen of warriors, travelers, and the whispers of gods. Snowflakes drift silently, painting the earth white, and shadows of ancient trees stretch across the valleys. A lone wolf tracks the path of the wandering sun, its eyes reflecting the aurora's silent dance. Fires in the village, smoke curls from wooden halls. Fires flicker as families gather to share tales. Elders speak of journeys across frozen seas, of storms survived and victories won. The scent of pine and burning wood fills the air, and laughter of children warms the cold night. The aurora swirls above, painting dreams in green and purple, a promise of wonder in this frozen realm. The call of the north, oh northern winds, carry me across your lands, over mountains high and fjords so wide. Let the aurora guide my wandering heart, and keep the tales of the Vikings alive. The snowbound journey through forests draped in frost, we move quietly, each step a rhythm in the silent night. Rivers lie frozen, mirrors of the star-filled sky, and every mountain echoes with ancient power. The wind hums a song of distant times, of heroes lost and secrets of the snow. The frozen earth beneath our boots tells its story, every flake a memory, every gust a legend. Spirits of the winter night, a reindeer paws on the icy plain, a raven soars above, casting a shadow. The night hums with life unseen yet present, mystery woven into every flake of snow. I feel the land's heartbeat beneath me, mountains, fjords and forests alive with magic. The northern spirits dance in the aurora's glow, and I follow entranced through the winter night. The call of the north, oh northern wind, The whisper of pine, the night is endless yet comforting. A frozen world alive with stories and dreams. The winter does not chill me, for its beauty holds strength and quiet wisdom. I am part of this northern realm, a witness to its magic and eternal calm. The call of the north, oh northern winds, carry me across your lands, over mountains high and fjords so wide. Let the aurora guide my wandering heart, and keep the tales of the Vikings alive. Oh, eternal winter, you are my guide. A world of silence, strength and wonder. I am a traveler, a witness, a part of your tale. Forever wandering the Nordic land. Silver snow drifts over jagged stones. The mountains stand like ancient guardians, shadows stretching beneath the aurora's glow. The ice cracks softly under wandering wolves, footsteps lost in endless white. A lone raven flies across the crimson sky, carrying tales of battles long forgotten. In the valley a village sleeps beneath the snow. Warm lights flicker from wooden halls. Small rivers sleep beneath sheets of glassy ice, reflecting the shimmering lights of the sky. Every step echoes in the valley's emptiness, a rhythm of solitude, strength and calm. A wolf pauses, eyes glinting like frozen stars. A reindeer crosses silently, disappearing in mist. The night is alive with secret magic. Every shadow tells a story, every snowflake a memory. I feel the pulse of the northern world, the heartbeat of mountains, fjords and ancient stones. The wind sings and I answer with my soul, dancing with spirits beneath the winter moon. Oh, winter night, embrace me in your quiet. Let the auroras dance above my wandering heart. Through frozen mountains, across the icy seas, guide me, northern spirits, to lands unseen. Reflection by the fire I sit and ponder. Stories of old heroes and epic quests. The snow falls softly outside my hall, covering the world in peace and silent light. Time slows in the northern night, each breath a gift, each moment eternal. I close my eyes and feel the land around me, the whispers of the past, the calm of winter's embrace. The endless winter, the aurora fades. The first light of dawn appears, casting pink and gold. Across frozen peaks I take one last look at the sleeping fjords and carry the winter's magic within me. Northern winds guide me on my path through snow and ice, through time and dream. I am part of this endless frost. The moon above casts silver paths across the land. Our ships lie frozen along the icy fjords, waiting for spring's thaw. Yet still we wander. The wind carries echoes of the past, songs of sailors lost to time, and the mountains watch in silent patience, guardians of secrets buried in snow and stone. The spirit of the land, ancient trees whisper in the cold night, their branches heavy with frost and memory. A lone wolf howls, answering the aurora's call, and I feel the heartbeat of the north in my chest. The rivers sleep under glassy ice, yet beneath life moves quietly unseen. The northern lights flicker like fire in the heavens, guiding lost souls, guiding wandering hearts. Oh, northern winds, carry me further across frozen seas and mountains high. Let the aurora dance over our journey and keep the stories of the Vikings alive. The storm rises, snow whipping in silver sheets. Mountains roar as if alive with ancient power. We hold our path, steadfast and quiet, each step a test, each breath a prayer. The wolves follow at a distance, silent companions in the wide wilderness. Every snowflake tells a story, every gust of wind whispers a legend. At last the fjord glimmers with the village lights, smoke spirals from chimneys like threads of warmth. We arrive, weary but with spirits renewed, our journey etched in memory and frost. Children run through snow-laden streets, elders share tales by the glowing fires, and I know in this endless winter the northern lands cradle both sorrow and hope. Oh, northern winds, carry me further across frozen seas and mountains high. Let the aurora dance over our journey and keep the stories of the Vikings alive. Under the aurora I sit and listen to the whisper of fjords, the sigh of pine. The night is endless yet comforting, a reminder of the bond between man and land. We are but travelers passing through time, yet the winter remains eternal, a mirror of resilience, mystery and calm. A northern heart beating beneath the aurora's glow. The first light of dawn kisses icy peaks, casting gold upon the snow-clad world. Our journey continues, carried by wind and ice, guided by northern spirits and ancient tales. Oh, winter of the north, you are eternal, a landscape of silence, strength and wonder. And I am part of your story, a witness to the magic The rows of yours stretch endlessly, draped in silver snow. Mountains rise like ancient sentinels against the sky. The northern wind whispers stories long forgotten of warriors, legends, and icy adventures. Snowflakes fall softly, painting the world white, and shadows of frozen trees dance in the aurora's light. A lone wolf moves silently along the cliffs, its gaze following the shimmer of distant ice. Village at night, in the quiet village, fires flicker in wooden halls. Smoke curls upward, meeting the starlit sky. Families gather, sharing tales of old, of seas crossed and mountains conquered in winter's grip. The scent of pine mingles with burning wood, and laughter drifts gently through the frozen night. Above, the northern lights swirl in green and purple, casting dreams and magic across the snowy land. Call of the north, oh northern winds, carry me across your lands, through frozen seas and mountains high. Let the aurora guide my wandering heart, and keep the tales of Vikings alive in the night. The winter journey through forests draped in frost, we move with care. Snow crunching softly beneath our boots, rivers lie frozen, reflecting stars and auroras, and mountains echo with whispers of the past. The wind hums a melody of distant times, of heroes lost, of secrets hidden in ice. Every flake tells a story, every gust a legend, the frozen earth alive with ancient magic. Spirits of the north, a reindeer crosses the snow-covered plain. A raven soars above, its shadow passing silently. The night breeze with unseen life, mystery woven into every snowflake and branch. I feel the land's heartbeat beneath me, mountains, fjords, and forests alive with magic. The northern spirits dance with the aurora's glow, and I follow their silent song through the winter night. Call of the north, oh northern winds, carry me across your lands, through frozen seas and mountains high. Let the aurora guide my wandering heart, and keep the tales of Vikings alive in the night. Reflection in the snow by the frozen fjord, I pause and listen to the whisper of ice, the sigh of pine. The night is endless yet comforting, a frozen world alive with dreams and stories. Winter does not chill me, for its beauty carries strength and quiet wisdom. I am part of this northern realm, a witness to its magic and eternal calm. Over the fjords, the first light touches icy peaks and valleys, casting gold across fjords and forests alike. I breathe the crisp northern air. Gleam silver beneath the aurora's light, and every breath of air hums with ancient tales. Snow swirls gently covering forest and valleys, while wolves track silently across frozen plains. The spirits of the north linger in the shadows, watching, waiting, guiding wandering souls. Distant mountains and seas. The scent of pine and firewood fills the night, and laughter drifts through snow-covered streets. Above, the aurora dances in colors of green and purple, weaving snowflake tells a story, each gust of wind a secret. The frozen earth alive with ancient magic. Spirits of winter, a reindeer passes slyly through the snow. A raven circles overhead, sharp and watchful. The night breeze with unseen life, mystery hidden in every shadow, every flake. I feel the pulse of the northern land beneath me. Mountains, fjords and forests alive with energy. The spirits of the north guide me through the dark, dancing with it all across the winter sky. Oh, northern winds guide me through your lands, over mountains high, across frozen seas. Let the aurora light my wandering path and carry the legends of Vikings through the night. Reflection by the ice, by the frozen fjord I pause and listen to the sigh of ice, the whisper of pine. The night stretches endlessly yet comforting, a frozen world alive with stories and dreams. The winter does not chill me, for its beauty holds strength and quiet wisdom. I am part of this northern realm, a witness to its magic and eternal calm. The first light touches the snow-covered peaks, casting gold across fjords, forests, and valleys. I inhale the crisp northern air and carry the whispers of the northern wind within me. Oh, eternal winter, you are my guide, a world of silence, strength, and wonder. I am a traveler, a witness, a part of your tale. Forever wandering the Nordic land. Wretched life has been had, hearts bound by frost. The moon above casts silver paths across the land. Our ships lie frozen along the icy fjords, waiting for spring's thaw. Yet still we wander. The wind carries echoes of the past, songs of sailors lost to time, and the mountains watch in silent patience, guardians of secrets buried in snow and stone. The spirit of the land, ancient trees whisper in the cold night, their branches heavy with frost and memory. A lone wolf howls, answering the aura's call, and I feel the heartbeat of the north in northern lights flicker like fire in the heavens, guiding lost souls, guiding wandering heart. Northern winds carry me further across frozen seas and mountains high. Let the aurora dance over our journey and keep the stories of the Vikings alive. The storm rises, snow whipping in silver sheets. Mountains roar as if alive with ancient power. We hold our past steadfast and quiet. Each step a test, each breath a prayer. The wolves follow at a distance, silent companions in the white wilderness. Every snowflake tells a story, every gust of wind whispers a legend. At last the fjord glimmers with the village's light. Smoke spirals from chimneys like threads of warmth. We arrive weary but with spirits renewed. Our journey etched in memory and frost. Children run through snow-laden streets. Elders share tales by the glowing fires. And I know in this endless winter the northern lands cradle both sorrow and hope. Northern winds carry me further across frozen seas and mountains high. Let the aurora dance over our journey and keep the stories of the Vikings alive. Under the aurora I sit and listen to the whisper of fjords, the sigh of pine. The night is endless yet comforting, a reminder of the bond between man and land. We are but travelers passing through time, yet the winter remains eternal, a mirror of resilience, mystery and calm. A northern heart beating beneath the aurora's glow. The endless journey, the first light of dawn kisses icy peaks, casting gold upon the snow-clad world. Our journey continues, carried by